The new semester is right around the corner, and with it comes excitement, anticipation, and even a little bit of stress. But don't you worry, if your to-do list is looking a little overwhelming, we're here to help. Hey y'all, welcome to South Texas College Knowledge, where we make your college experience exceptional. Before we get started, make sure you hit our subscribe button down below to keep up with our channel, and turn on our post notifications to be notified every time we upload a new video. One of the first things you should do before the start of a new semester is to double check your schedule, its times, and the locations for your in-person classes. This will help you breeze through the first week of a new semester without worrying about being lost or being late. We also suggest you ensure the parking permit before the first day of classes to prevent any headaches when you arrive on campus. Parking permits can be purchased via JAGNet and picked up at the SEC Police Department, located at Building B at Pekin Plaza in McAllen. Keep in mind that all parking permits are valid for 1 year only and will need to be renewed at the start of every fall semester. There is a possibility your instructor will require textbooks or materials for the specific classes. Be sure to check yours before classes begin. If you need to purchase books or any other supplies, make things easy by visiting the bookstore on campus or online. Remember, Microsoft Office 365 Suite is a helpful tool for all students and completely free through SEC. Simply use SEC credentials to log on and enjoy all Microsoft products, including Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Last but not least, internet access is a must for any college student, and SEC provides all students with Wi-Fi access in all campuses. If you have any issues with credentials, don't hesitate to call 956-872-2111 or email isphelp@southtexascollege.edu. If you found this information helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure you turn on your post notifications and get notified each time we post a new video. We're always adding new content that will help make your college experience an exceptional one. This has been South Texas College Knowledge. Thanks for watching.